Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Sam'an. So in Surah Hujurat, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enjoined the Muslims about the different things. So here we will discuss three verses of Surah Hujurat, so which I selected. So the first verse which we have, إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون. So translation we have, Muslims are brothers. Muslims are brothers. Therefore make peace between two brothers, two brothers, and fear from Allah that the mercy may be bestowed to you. So this is the first verses, and in that verses Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enjoined the Muslims that all the Muslims who live in the entire world are the brother of another Muslim. Every Muslim should respect to their another Muslim brother and likes the same thing which he like for himself. So this is the first verse which I selected, and it is all about the brotherhoodness and peace. So the second verse which we have, which I selected, is that innal ladhina yunadunaka min wara'il hujurati aktharuhum la yaqilun. So translation we have, undoubtedly, those who call you behind your private apartments, most of them are stupid. So in that verses, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enjoined the Muslim women through the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the Holy Quran that don't leave your home without any reason, talk with hardness from strangers, and to hide and save herself completely from the strangers. And here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also ordered the Muslim men to keep their eye down. So this verse is all about hijab. So the third verse which we have, which I selected, is that Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu la tuqaddimu bayna yaday Allahi wa rasuli wattaqullah innallaha samiyun alim. So translation we have, O believers, exceed not over Allah and His messengers, and fear from Allah. Undoubtedly Allah hears and knows everything. So in that verses Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enjoined the Muslims that don't cross their limit, don't cross your limit, uh, from don't cross their limits from Allah and His messengers, and be afraid from Allah. So